For a second day in a row, the jury watched graphic videos of Diddy's so-called freak-offs. The explicit clips were spliced together from several different sex parties between 2012 and 2014 involving Diddy's then-girlfriend Cassie Ventura. They were shown only to jurors who were wearing headphones and have been sealed because they are so sexually explicit. One of the freak-offs shown in court involved this man, Sheree Hayes, who is also known as the Punisher. He testified, then told us he was hired to perform at several of those wild encounters.
I was instructed to try to bypass the security, I guess, trying to keep privacy to a maximum. All the furniture was covered in sheets. The directions was, I kind of compare it to a photo shoot.
ABC News legal contributor, attorney, and host of Bad Rap, The Case Against Diddy, Brian Buckmeyer was in the courtroom and talked with Mona.
What are some of the jurors' reactions?
I would probably describe it as studious and stoic. We in the gallery cannot hear or even see what's going on, but they're very intent on their own individual TV screens. Are these individuals who are intoxicated beyond the point of being able to consent? Is this a freak-off that involves transportation and sex trafficking, as the government is arguing?
At least one of the jurors appeared visibly uncomfortable while watching the videos. On the stand today, a special agent revealed details from that now infamous 2016 hotel incident when Diddy attacked Cassie.
Combs then kicks her twice.
The video was first uncovered by CNN's Elizabeth Wagmeister and entered into evidence at trial by prosecutors. Today, that agent testified about a text exchange between Diddy and Cassie after the assault. Cassie sent Combs a message that read, "You are sick for thinking it's okay to do what you've done. Please stay far away from me." But Diddy tried to call her, fearing he was about to be arrested. When she did not answer, he texted, "If you don't pick up, you'll never hear my voice again."
The new details revealed to jurors just before the government presents one of its key witnesses.
Diddy's so-called drug mule, Brendan Paul, was arrested last March at a Miami area airport, the same day the feds raided Diddy's properties in Los Angeles and South Florida. This is the only video we have of him from a body cam as he was taken into custody. This photo of Brendan and Diddy was included as an exhibit in a separate lawsuit filed against Diddy by rapper Lil Rod, who claimed Brendan acquires and distributes Mr. Combs' drugs and guns. Authorities say they found cocaine in Brendan's bags during his arrest. The charges were later dropped, and Brendan received immunity for his testimony.
Basically saying that anything he testifies to truthfully on the stand, he will not be prosecuted with later.
The 6'2" Ohio native was a walk-on for Syracuse University's basketball team, but played just 17 minutes in his 2 years there. It's unclear how he managed to work his way into Diddy's entourage after getting a business degree. But the athlete-turned-music producer collaborated with Sean Combs on the Love album, Off the Grid.
Sometimes you gotta go through the dark to manifest.
Prosecutors are expected to wrap their case as soon as tomorrow.